guys make luxury impulse buys? I don't think I've done an impulse purchase.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have another video for you with my sister, and this is a video that sort of got prompted because of what happened yesterday. And basically this video is titled, Oops, I Did It Again, or something like that. Well, impulse purchases. And I bought this. And you're like, how could this be an impulse purchase? This is a super expensive bag. Well, this is what happened. Basically what happened yesterday was that my sister and I went shopping at a consignment store. We saw this bag for $2,000 and they were having a sale. So we asked the lady how much it would be, and she pretty much said it's gonna be $700 less at $1,300. So I thought, oh my God, but I never even thought about having this bag. This wasn't even in my radar.
So this is the Louis Vuitton Infinity
Sling
bag. Not canvas. It's actually leather, embossed leather, and it has kind of a silvery, yeah, you can see it there.
Yeah.
I guess coating, on the leather. It's beautiful. And it's from the men's collection. It's currently available at Louis Vuitton for $2,380.
Something like that, yep.
And so basically she was being offered this bag, which is in almost perfect condition, for $1,300. It's more than $1,000 off the retail price.
Yeah, better tax too.
Right, so and much less tax because of the
Cheaper
base
price.
amount.
About it, and I was on my phone trying to do research real quick, and two ladies come by and they kind of pick up the bag in front of me. They probably didn't know that I was looking at it.
Because she had put it down.
Yeah.
Now, this is connected by one of those security cords, so people can't just pick it up and walk out. But she had put it down and was engrossed in her phone.
And these ladies picked it up and they were looking at it and thought, oh, it's really nice. And they put it down.
So in that moment, because Maggie is completely engrossed, I walk over to the manager and I say, can we please see this bag to try it on? Take it off the security code.
She saved me. And so the ladies knew then that I was interested in it, and they were still sort of hovering.
But they backed off.
Yeah, they were really nice ladies.
Yeah.
And so I started doing research and I thought, wow, seems like a good bag. Let's buy it. And mainly because of the price. And that's my problem. I make impulse purchases on expensive items because it's like $1,000 off. Or
oh my gosh, what a great deal.
Yeah, even if that's the problem with me. Right, it's always about a deal. So
but everybody does that kind of calculus, I think,
or
in their
do
minds.
they?
I think they do in their minds.
Do you guys do it? I mean, I wonder if they do it.
Well, I do it, but I don't think I've done an impulse purchase.
Well,
for luxury.
Another impulse purchase that I made is this, which is my Estrella MM. And again,
also from Louis Vuitton.
Also from Louis Vuitton, and also from a consignment shop. We were there and they had this for like $1,000, and hardly any no cornerware, nothing. It's in great shape. I mean, I had thought of this bag a long time ago, but then it sort of went out of my mind. And then
this one they discontinued, right?
Yeah, they discontinued it, and I saw it and I thought, it's a great price.
Right, and she does go through the kind of checklist of, oh, there's no vachetta, so, it's more hard wearing.
So when I do impulse purchases, and let me know if this is what you guys do, is that I don't go and do a $1,000 impulse purchase, even if it's 50% off, if it's like a straw bag.
Right.
Or, the Loewe, remember the Loewe tote bags that they had? And I said, I wouldn't even touch that.
This canvas bag, she also bought not thinking about it.
Yeah.
And this is a canvas bag with leather trim. And this is a
Lolo Piana.
Which is a wonderful company, make great products. But you bought this completely on an impulse because the price was just so amazing.
Right. It was like $50. So, and it's a couple $1,000 from what I understand, which, I am not ever going to pay that kind of, I wouldn't even pay this for $1,000. Even if it was like 75% off, if it was $1,000, I wouldn't even consider it.
But so there's a sliding scale of what you're willing to buy depending on what the materials are.
Yeah.
And how good the price discount is.
Yeah, whether I think, forget the name brands. Is it worth that? And so, do you guys do that? Do you do impulse buys? You never do? Wow, that's pretty good.
I research to death before I hunt for a bag. And then I've got like laser-like focus on what I want. Mm-hmm. And I'll hunt and hunt and hunt for the best price.
And you wait for like a couple years sometimes.
Sometimes.
For that best price, whatever that might be.
Right, because if I've done enough research, I'll know what the lowest price I've seen something for is. Mm-hmm. So I will always try to at least hit that lowest point mark. I might not always get it, but it's right around there.
So is your wants based on an impulse? Like you see something for a really good price and you go, oh, that looks like a great deal. Maybe I can get something else like that. So, at a better price.
Usually it's I want something and then I'll hunt for the best price.
I never.
I found the best price for something. now do I want it?
That's me. That's like, and I have a hard time because at the end of the day, I don't really want something that badly. It's very rare that I want something that badly versus you want something and you want something.
Right.
I'm like, whatever.
Yeah.
And
so I knew I wanted a Hermes Revolve bracelet. But I saw this. The lowest price I saw for this was $340 or $320.
How much are they in retail?
$580, something like that. Mm-hmm. I got this for $295.
So it's really good.
So I hunted and hunted. I know I could have gotten this a year earlier.
Yeah,
but I didn't want to pay a higher price. I just didn't. And this was in pristine condition. It had all the plastic still on it.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
And for whatever reason, it didn't sell, and I got it.
The best one is your Kelly. You got it for like $6,000.
I got it for $6,000.
You hunted and hunted for that.
Right.
So she never does impulse buys.
I really don't.
Yeah, I always. Not always, but I tend to more because
you are more susceptible to that because you don't have strong wants.
No, I never do. Mm-mm.
You have like, I want this and this and this and this and this. Whereas I'm like, I want this.
I don't have purse piece, which I think we're going to talk about next. But yeah,
So do you guys make luxury impulse buys?
Yeah, I'd love to know because
I think it's more common, but I don't feel that.
I don't think most people are like you. Maybe some people are, but I wonder.
I think more people are like you. I agree.
It's like, oh, that looks pretty,
and it's a great deal.
Oh no, see, it can't be just that looks pretty. That never does it for me.
No.
Like you know how some people go shopping and Chanel go,
oh my god, I couldn't resist because that was beautiful unicorn bag and the color so beautiful. I had to have it.
I never get it that way. Because the price would go,
Right.
But if I see, 50% off, oh my God.
This bag that I never knew about, now I want it. I need this bag. Let me think of the ways I can use it.
And at the end of the day, I'm not sure if it's going to work out. I think it's going to work out for me, but I'm not even sure.
Right. But we sat in the store as we were holding on to the bag so the other ladies couldn't buy it. Going through in our minds, like, how could you use this bag? On what trips coming up could you carry it?
Yeah.
Where would you feel comfortable using it?
I took this to a restaurant yesterday.
Oh,
it's kind of cool. Yeah,
it's cute. I think it's very, like, edgy, especially for women to carry this style of bag.
And
I love the graffiti pattern.
And I wear it like this. And so the zipper is right here, which is really easy.
Easy access.
Yeah, easy access.
And secure because it's in front of you.
Yeah,
so
and
no
the zipper's right here. But the only thing about this that I think it's just me is because I'm like, it's hooked up here or here, right?
So you can do left or right.
Right, but I get confused. So I go like this, and I'm like...
Right, but you'll get used to it.
What do I do? Is it like here? Then where's the zipper? Or...
So... This would be how it would be. Isn't that cute? I think it's so adorable.
Yeah, but I had to wear it a couple different ways, over my head because I couldn't quite figure out how to do it. It's the physics of it or something. But
physics? I don't know, but okay.
I'm trying to make myself sound intelligent. See? I love it wearing like this. Or
I think that's so
like
cute.
This. Or on the side, like that.
It's adorable. Mm-hmm. I think it's really adorable.
We'll see. But anyway, so this was an impulse purchase, and I'd love to know if you guys have made impulse purchase, and what were they?
Impulse luxury purchases.
Yeah.
It's not like we're talking about like an extra candy bar at the cash register as we're checking out.
Which I also don't do because I'm like calculating, wait, $1.50 for that? I would love to know what you guys think and whether you guys have done this. And if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and please consider subscribing, clicking the bell notification so that you'd be notified every time I upload more videos. Thanks guys, bye. What is this? Bye.